So, here is our newest problem. As you can see here, the bearing on the brand new chainstay, the one that I waited for, the bearing is coming out right here. I can just show you by pushing it, and it pops out and falls out. The other side doesn't do that, but this side does it. Don't really understand why it's doing it, but the whole bike was shimmying and shaking while I was trying to ride it. Getting pretty old trying to fix this. This will be the 12th problem, as you can see here. The bearing itself can get pushed in by finger pressure, so obviously the hole is not the right size. That's a problem. The hole's too big. So the whole rear chainstay moves. I don't really understand why it's doing this, but that's the problem.